Hello everyone, here's a quick demo how to integrate Azure DevOps pipelines with GitHub source code as well as Jira to see a build pipeline. So let's jump into our source code. Here we have a pipeline, which as you can see pretty simple, does nothing except it says set in stage with Spanish name. So let's do a quick change. Here's our file which you want to change. Here's our Jira issue which has source code on GitHub, so it's ADO 11. Or ADO 11, so let's do the change, then we will do ADO 11. So our intention is to trigger the pipelines which we have in Azure DevOps, which are triggered automatically by GitHub commit. As soon as the work was pushed to a repo, then we have our pipeline triggered. So which is the result should of course show the build pipelines, actually deployment pipeline. You see, our release is going, so we have our environment, our pipeline, and our deployment. So because it's very quick, it would have been finished by now. So we need to refresh this page and see the information. And as you see, it says the deployment is done and the issue correct is marked. So you can use Azure DevOps for Jira integration when you actually host source code in GitHub and your pipelines in Azure DevOps to actually see deployments in Jira. So give our application a go, and if you have any questions about Azure DevOps or Jira integrations, please let us know. Thank you very much.